Alright, so we already got some information on the screen. Cold tires. We're already blowing through stop signs. At least we're doing didn't make it very far through the stop sign, did he? I was gonna say I liked the head check at least, but a little advertisement. I think you need to equip your skull with a brain instead of your motorcycle with any fancy technology. That'll probably help. Equip your motorcycle with a skillful rider on it. That'll help you. So let's see what we can learn. So obviously this stuff on the screen is just added after the fact, but in the real-time situation, we're riding with our buddy. We're out for some fun on our motorcycles. Looks like the guy up in front, so maybe on some kind of dual sport or enduro, if I had to guess. This guy here that we're on board with, some kind of sport bike. And we got a stop sign here. We're making a left turn. You can kind of see the lighting, the conditions. Kind of gives you that feel that maybe it's a little bit cold out. So our buddy blows right through the stop sign with like a minimal pause. So of course we're going to follow that great example. I do like this real big head turn here, checking for cross traffic. But that's why that stop sign exists, so that you can sit here and take your time and make sure the coast is clear before you just go ripping out there with your buddy. But he's got a good space there. But it's right about here, like the bike's already going down. So it's like as he's doing that head check, gaining awareness there, he's getting on the throttle. And cold tires, cold pavement. You can see he tries to correct his steering there too as he feels that back end kind of losing traction and slipping out. He's trying to turn his bars. And it just looks like he jumps on the throttle. Back tire just washes out. And down you go. And your buddy's still just like ripping off down the road. Yeah, enough said about that. Some things we can learn from that is slow down, just like that earlier example. Get up to that stop sign. Pause for a moment. Take a breath. Be aware of your surroundings. Be aware of the environment and the conditions that you're riding in. You decided to get up and hopefully put gear on and go out for a motorcycle ride with your buddy. So you already need to have that mental state of what's the weather like? What's the temperature like? What am I getting into before you even get out there and face that? You should already be ahead of that.